There's some beagles out there. I'll tell you whose beagles they are. You see them woods that's right over there that I've been showing you? I don't want to go out there because I don't want to disturb them. Well, there's a guy. Owns a big field on the other side of that store, this and that store over there, right across from that Baptist Church, Frankfurt Baptist Church. He got a pond right up next to the road there. Well, those are his dogs. There they go. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Nice little beagles. They're getting their exercise. Oh, the owner must be calling them. There you go. What happened to the others? There he is. Right there. They're nice beagles. Well, that was a quickie. And, hey, they don't always stick around. Go out there and see if we can spot them. Let's see. Let me go over here. Oh, the weeds are too high to be catching a few of them. But anyway, on the other side of that, at the end of them woods, is where they come from. You can hear them over there barking. You can hear Blue over there barking behind me too. Them beagles are barking across the other side of the woods, and Blue is barking behind me. It looks like we're going to get some more rain. Look, it's cloudy. Just because it's cloudy don't mean it's going to rain. Hopefully it don't. Look at that. Or maybe I wish it would to cool it down a little bit. So, well, had a good view of the beagles. So, if you like this video, remember, click that like this video and subscribe for more content. Don't forget to check my other videos out. Just click on my name and it should take you to my YouTube channel with all my videos. Take care, and we'll see you later. Bye now.